Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to use these transform map values in Dataraptor. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last video I have talked about how to retrieve those like custom metadata records using these data mapper extract actions, and like the my use case was like based on a country input. I'll be just retrieving those country details like based on this country input like Canada. We are just getting these key field values from the custom metadata types that I have already created in my org. Like tax rules is the custom metadata type object, and we are just getting different field values based on the country input. So my for today's demo will be on the transform map values. Like in here we can see different country name like Canada, India, United Kingdom, United States. So utilizing these transform map values, we'll be just renaming this country name to a shortened form, right? So transform map values will be worked like whenever this key matches with our expected response. Like if I just put the key as India, so whenever the country name is provided by the user is India, and we are getting this India as a response in this country, then we want to just shorten it to our expected value like IND for example. And if I just make update, we can just create multiple transform map values as well. Like I can just add for Canada as well. Like let me just update the value for CND, and for let me just copy this one United Kingdom. So whenever the value of the country is United Kingdom, then we want to just put UK as the country value. So this will be populated in the output JSON node of country. And let me just put the final one like United States, and we want to just make it USA. So we can just provide also default values, but as of now I'm not providing that one. And let me just check. And if I just put this one like IND India, so we should see instead of India or Canada, we should see this shortened form of the country name, right? That we have already defined in that transform map values. If I just execute, we can see the country name as IND. And if I just put like United United Kingdom, we can see this shortened form of the Kingdom as UK. And if I just put Canada, then we can find that CND, the shortened form. So, so this is how we can just simply use this transform map values within this Dataraptor. So this is a very useful feature. So that's all for this today's demo. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and OmniStudio topics. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.